Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to create dependent drop-down lists in Google Sheets. Create a reference sheet and write your master categories as column headers, like fruit, veggies, and grains, and list the corresponding sub-items directly beneath them. Then just highlight your first sub-item list block and head to the top navigation header, menu layout, then click on data and then choose named ranges right here. And name the range exactly, matching your master column header text string, using absolute lowercase or capitalization, and click Done. So I add a range, test range, and done. The other way to do it is also you can just choose your corresponding field, then choose Insert, and then choose Dropdown. Alright, and as you can see, apply to which range. We already chose that. You can choose, for example, a bigger range like this, just go from left to right. And in here, guys, choose drop down from range. Okay, and then in here, choose the data range in this window. You can also allow multiple selections as well if you wish, and consider your advanced options. And that is it. As easy as this, your manual data organization is now completely optimized. Enjoy, guys. As always, like and subscribe. See you soon.